As a product manager who's worked at both large companies and small companies, in my opinion, there are really only three fundamental tools that you need to be able to do data analysis. The first is SQL. You need to be able to query your production data because your data is going to be stored in a database or a data warehouse. And it's really helpful to be able to query that for data analysis and reporting. Now, maybe you're using a NoSQL database like Mongo, but the general same idea applies. The second thing is you need a product event analytics solution. So that's typically like a Mixpanel or an Amplitude or a Post-Hog where events from your UI are being stored in their database. And so you can go and do reporting. Typically, those have a point-and-click interface, very easy and very intuitive to use. And the third really important tool, in my opinion, especially if you're a founding PM or working on new products that you're launching, is session recording. Session recording is really powerful to be able to see what your users are seeing and looking at in your product as if you were looking over their shoulder, because it might show you that a user thought about clicking on a button but didn't click on it. So even though that event is not showing up in your product analytics platform, there's some really important data in there, or maybe a user was trying to do something and never figure out how to do it. So those are really, really important. Now, of course, an honorable mention to spreadsheets. Chances are you're going to be pulling a lot of this data down in as a CSV export and dumping in a spreadsheet and slicing and dicing from there.